packed up my RV and we're heading down the track. Loaded up that RV and my puppies are all in back. Ooh, we're heading up to Tunbridge for the local dog show. My baby's riding shotgun, she tells me where to go. Now we pulled into Tunbridge and we set up camp. Hooked up to fresh water, yeah, we got those 30 amps. And now we're setting up the expense, getting ready for the show. We've gotta walk those dogs, I'm sure they have to go. My wife does all the competing, and I just hang around. But when she's in that ring, hell, I get out of town. 'Cause if my baby puppies see me, straight to me they go. They want to see their dad, because they love his son. Now that's all fine and dandy, but it can cause some strife. Be no cute today, which pisses off the wife. The breed ring is tomorrow, confirmation's coming up. Get out that grooming table, we've got to fluff up that pup. I don't know why she does it, our girl has a happy tale. She never ever wins, and at the end she trails. I'd rather watch rally, and agility's never slow. Confirmation's so boring, it's like watching grass grow. Now we're packing up the RV and we're heading. Everybody's happy, the dogs are chewing bones. We're looking out that window, we're waving bye to our friends. We'll see you at the next show, it's right around